King up. This is a beautiful position, eh, Amon?
I think I like what you're gonna do with it, eh? Oh, never mind. Ooh.
Thank you, English! Thank you, MC!
Queen G5.
Thank you, Joseph Gabriati!
Thank you, Amon Hambleton. Ooh, a friendly. Check. One more. I only get one rating point. That's not enough. That's not enough. That last 30 minutes was amazing. Let's put it back.
Let's take it back 38.
You're trapped, buddy! Yeah. Oh! Oof. 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 One more for the boys.
Uno más.
Uno más. Oh! I am liking what you're giving me here. Give me everything tonight. Yep. I'm gonna take that knight. Oh shit. Good move. Oh shit. Fuck! Steve!
You gotta put the fucking shoes on, get out of there.
Oh! Okay, this is a real, like, Baghdad assault.
Holy fucking guacamole. Jesus.
Holy shit! That was scary.
I don't know how you got out of that.
that was like D-Day in the fucking chessboard. In a 30-second game, that was like, holy shit. Weetabix is what I love. Good game. That was too much for me. That was too much. Money dog, good luck.
10-second head start. Yeah, that's business. This fan gets fucking outgunned by this guy after a good 10-second head start. And he starts cheering like a fucking idiot. Oh, that's fucking great. I love to see that. Are you a fast guy? No. Not a runner. Not a runner. Not a runner.
From Japan.
Fucking banging.
Oh, it's just steady. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Whoa! Whoa! Again! Uno más! seeking the game here, guys. I'm just seeking anything.
Just take whatever.
I have energy and I have no opposition. It's very disturbing. Somebody come on and beat me. There we go. That's what I want to see. Oh shit. I hung a piece. What a fucking bad game here. Holy shit, I just hung everything that game. This person's playing extremely accurate for a bullet game. So what happened is twice this popped up, twice, and then they accepted this game 6 seconds late.
That always pops up though. Did you import games?
No.
It pops up to me all the time. Like it definitely doesn't do that.
That was an extremely good bullet, dude.
But that's actually popped up for a few of our friends before, eh? Uchiha.
Very good.
Did you already play this person?
Yeah. That's
It's a pretty
why.
high tactics rating, eh? 1200.
Check Manarov sub. What do you say about that?
See this fucking chat right now? Just check in the chat.
Yeah, I'm gonna play some
Nice to
Blitz.
see him lurking. Nice to see him lurking.
1052 bullet, 2483 Blitz. No. Holy shit. What's just untitled people online, eh? Who to play? What's the plan, Amon?
Early was a funny tweet, eh?
Yes. Yes, she's been blogging. What's up, Noobroid and Black Albino? I was beating on subs and I was playing a tough Hungarian. And now I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling. I have energy, but it just doesn't work out. Big Mac. Living legend. Fine. Let's go, Big Mac. Let's go, Big Mac. Let's play some Blitz. Uh-oh. I'm not supposed to allow this, am I? Oh no, it's fine. I just hung a piece. That's okay. This guy won down 2 queens, so me being down a piece should be okay. Actually, how does it work? Knight d7, queen d7,
Yeah, I was gonna say
h5, queen d5. Is this how it goes?
Get some stuff.
Oh, I didn't do it properly.
I thought.
I was good.
She's fucking nasty. Oh, fuck. Oh shit, this is Blitz too. Oh fuck.
Yeah, I'm playing very quickly for Blitz.
Didn't Robin play this guy?
Maybe.
Pretty sure he has a history of fucking doing well.
I'm gonna come back this game. Didn't Naka beat Wesley in a Blitz game down a piece? I didn't see the game, I just heard about it. In Norway.
Oh, I didn't see either.
Big Mac is always an enterprising player, Amon.
Plays enterprising chess.
Enterprising chess. You think I have any chances this game?
Yes. Definitely.
Chancey Billups? Chauncey? Chauncey?
A Chansey. A nice, fat, and strong Pokemon.
I'm trying to make this bishop bad. I'm gonna win this game. I'm going to win this game, boys and girls. Oh, such a good song. So good. Steve. Rook d1. That's all I'm banking on. Space for my king. a5, a4. Let's go for this pawn. Maybe rook d5, maybe queen d3. Oh, it's a blunder by me.
He's gonna let her hang, eh?
But,
I think we're gonna get the fucking boys in if he does that, though, yeah?
Now h5. I got rook d1 if rook h7. And I can put a cork up his ass.
Great stuff.
Queen f5 intermezzo. Great music. Great shit. I'm gonna win this one. Up on time, got a counterplay. Whoa! Queen e5 after queen g6 looks pretty strong, huh?
Sure does. It sure does. It sure does, sure dog.
It's...
Wow.
A friendly.
Looks like you just earned yourself a piece. Or a rook. Wow.
You read my mind. Or a checkmate. How's that, pal?
Wow.
Big Mac!
He doesn't seem very dangerous after that game.
Judge Joe Brown. Can you give me one? Judge Joe Brown. Joe Brown. Here with Judge Joe Brown. Do you ever watch that, Eric? Those American judge shows?
Oh yeah, like when
Judge Judy, Judge
yeah,
Joe Brown.
School, get sick. I would sit on TV, watch fucking shit.
Those are very addicting.
Are you judgmental when you watch those?
No,
Could you see yourself being featured in one of them? Paternity test?
no, probably not. Wouldn't think so.
But I could see you on like a Maury, something like
I
that.
don't think so. Probably not that either.
Eric, you're the father. Fine. Fine, I'll fucking raise him. Fine. Raising the fucking go punk shows with me.
Let's go for an endgame. Yeah, buddy.
And
I'm gonna play b4, a3.
Dr. Usyk really looks like he belongs on Rory's show. The way that he is, and that his ties to Colombia right now, you can see him on there like, oh jeez, mine? Oh jeez. Jeez, off the Raven and everything.
I'm gonna beat everyone tonight.
Come on, Flag. Come on, tell us a real woman guy. Flag.
This is a weakness. C6. Judge Joe Brown.
Last time you did this without a knight on the board, but so it's a little fucking impressive what you're doing here.
I learned from the best guys like you.
Really?
Yeah. G4, I want him to take. So I got a lot of good options here. I'm actually gonna take with the pawn. I feel like that is the correct move.
It's a nice little fucking feeling you got there, bud.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring my king to d4. King to d4. Yep. You and me, baby. You and me. You and me. If king here, 92.
Oh.
King here, rook takes.
You gotta be careful.
I'll be careful. It's okay. Got a great night here. Oh. He's really asking for something here. I'm trying to figure out what. Oh! Oh! I had to do that.
Yeah, he was asking.
Whoa! Yes! I knew there was something fishy in the position.
Oh, that's nasty.
Judge Joe Brown! His king's cut off. His king cannot enter, so I just pushed the pawn down the board. Ray Chileno, Ocho, ¿cómo estás, amigo? Ray Chileno lost his sub account,
Yes.
right? Poor guy. Ray Chileno. We have only one subscriber from Chile, and his Twitch account got banned or removed. Feels bad, man. So now he lost his benefits. So now he's just there as Ray Chileno, and I feel pretty bad about that. I feel bad. I'd like to gift him a subscription. Soon Twitch will allow that, but not yet. In Chile, $5 US a month, guys. That's a serious portion. That's a serious portion over there. So am I gonna lose a piece here? Probably. What do I do here? He tricked me. So what happens if I go here? Am I getting like mated? No.
Certainly hope not, eh?
Is it me or is this stream muted? If this stream has been muted, I feel definitely bad. I've been talking non-stop. Judge Joe Brown. Here in Montreal.
Round 6 of the
You're round 6.
Temperature's fantastic. Eric, anything you feel like doing today? Movie?
Sleeping?
You feel like napping?
Yes.
So that you can save the energy for something?
No.
Yeah, napping is solid.
That's actually, napping is a good idea.
I recommend napping because tonight we're going hard. Tonight is a Jaeger bomb night.
When you go hard, usually you nap first.
Right.
So he's actually,
It's a Jaeger bomb night.
so he's planning a big night. That's good.
Jaeger bombs here. Hype for Jaeger bombs.
Kurtz, how fucking mental would you go if Moj had a Jaeger bomb?
But not mental at all.
No?
No.
You wouldn't? That wouldn't pique you in any way?
No. His decision.
Let's bring that
But
rook.
let's say you have a friend who's...
I don't have to put it. Well, just stop it,
Let's
okay.
see.
But you called me your friend before.
Okay,
So you at least have one.
Guys, I'm gonna sack and exchange like Lev.
Like left?
Lev.
Let's say you have someone, friend or acquaintance, that really abstains from doing a certain thing
Soon.
for a long time in their life. And all of a sudden, they're like, you know what, Kurtz? You and I tonight, fuck it, we're doing it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's just like, fuck it, Kurtz, I'm
Good for
doing
them.
it.
Good for them.
You wouldn't like get excited or like, no?
Why? It's not me, is it?
That wouldn't get you going?
No. What do I have to do with anything?
It's like if you're trying to get your friend to go to one of your punk raves and they
Yeah,
always say
I
no,
don't-
no,
I
no,
don't-
no.
I
And
don't
then
know
one
what I'm trying to
time.
One time he shows up with a fucking wig on and face paint,
But
And,
I
like,
never try to get someone to go to
spiky
the-
wallets
I
with
don't wanna
leather and
I'm
Velcro.
gonna do it. I'm
He's
gonna
like,
do
you know what,
it.
Kurtz?
Why not? Why can't I sack and exchange?
go. No.
I'm gonna sack and exchange.
No.
Come
Punk is not.
at me, bro.
But I don't ask people to go to punk shows either. They don't want to go. It's very
I'm gonna play E5 next move. I need to make sure my king has space on a dark square.
But you
Does that
don't
do-
think that if someone did want to go and they went all out, and you never expected they would want to go, wouldn't that be cool as hell?
I want to get a pass pawn on the D
You would
file,
go with
or
that?
I'm gonna get my bishop out.
You're not invited.
Or the bishop out. Pretty decent option.
You're a decent option.
You're a decent fucking option.
I'd like you and Nakamura to fucking compare your options.
You got me there. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
okay, Wiggins, have some.
Good, Big Mac. Seriously, fuck off. Stop attacking me.
He wants to say something.
Who wants to say something?
First, you want to say something?
What's up, Curtis, brah? Just
I like
farming
your
some people
position
on
like that.
chess.com. I do like my position. I like it. Yeah.
Sacking the exchange is fucking the new meta, eh? It's the new fucking meta. Do you think he's gonna play Bishop E4?
I hope so. I hope he does. Yeah.
No, he's gonna do this? Yeah. He's gonna do this. Just Bishop C3, King G7. You're afraid of B5. He's coming, eh?
Resist! We will resist. We can
Cease and
resist.
desist.
We can resist.
Yep.
I see ways to resist. I'm gonna win this game.
Yeah, this is not convincing. Oh, once you get that bishop planted in there, like a planter's peanut.
It's a good move there, Big Mac.
Are you fucking heading over there, bud? Wow.
Yeah, I'm heading over
Oh, look at that.
Resist.
Nice. He's really nice.
Resist. Woo! Fuck yeah! Oh shit. Oh, it still works. It still works. I don't lose this pawn.
This is the worst version. This is a fucking. Oh. Oh no.
Classic kids.
Oh no. Fuck, bro. Yes! Oh my god, he fucked that up so bad.
This guy's a legend though, right?
Oh my god.
From London to Paris, you can do it.
You can do it.
You can feel it.
You can feel it.
Big Mac, I love you, buddy.
You do actually.
I
That's
do
a
love
good
you.
guy right there.
He's a fucking friendly. He's not like the fucking viewers in here trying to beat me. This guy knows to make it a contest and let the chess bras win in the end.
Right.
That's what we call,
That's what we call gamesmanship.
yeah, Big fucking Mac.
Big
Thank
fucking
you,
Mac.
Chess Bay with the bits. Oh, not this line. How does this line go?
Yes, babe.
Chess Bay, 1,000 bits. To our Jaeger. Is that the
Jaeger
Jaeger
bomb.
bomb fund?
Yeah.
Is that the Kurtz on Jaeger bombs?
Yeah.
Is that what I hear?
Yeah.
Money in the bank?
Yeah.
It's been done.
Is that what I hear?
From New York
Money
to LA.
in the bank.
From New York to LA.
Big Mac just spent 30 seconds on that move.
From London
So these positions are supposed to be pretty unpleasant.
Do you like the song Bombs Over Baghdad?
F3, E4, Queenside Castle, just an unpleasant lead in development.
Bombs Over Baghdad? I listened to that during my punk phase.
I don't think you went through a punk phase.
No?
I think you went through an emo phase.
No, I didn't actually. I never wore skinny clothing.
from London.
Want to play E4?
Self-deprecate or anything.
Oh, my knight's jumping in right
Emo's
there.
definitely the wrong word for me.
No.
Right here.
Just in terms of music.
My knight's coming right here.
But I wouldn't call Offspring emo.
I don't mind losing that. Do I?
Offspring is
Maybe I do.
alternative.
It's definitely not emo.
It's alternative. It's not punk. I mean, I guess.
I don't mind. I get the bishop pair and I play E4.
But it's definitely not
Ah.
emo. It's like aggressive, like
It's fucking
hate music.
It's normie.
Aggressive hate music.
It's normie music.
I wouldn't say it's normal.
It's very normie.
Offspring? I wouldn't call that normal.
Offspring is completely normie.
No, I wouldn't say
I'm
that.
sacking an exchange like Levon Aronian.
Very fucking normie.
I'm sacking an exchange here.
You can do it.
Bishop takes A6. Bishop E4 I think is a precise move.
You're a precise guy.
You're Pistol Pete. So bishop e4 is what I'm worried about. Gonna have to pull that back. I'm still going down the exchange happily. Oh, okay. Really happy now. Okay.
Are you gonna fucking keep him pinned?
Yeah. Well, he's pinned no matter what, so I'm not
pinned
sure.
down,
Not sure what to do here.
Imagine I
not-
hit him with the
not a-
fucking knight b6.
Knight b6 is tempting, but he's making friendly moves, isn't he? You know what I mean? He's just a friendly
You gotta
guy.
know your opponent.
Just a friendly guy.
I'm gonna take on
I can take on d7.
although nah, that's not the move, no way.
Nah.
Are you gonna fucking maintain the fresh?
Yep. You want to see what I'm gonna do, Amon? You want?
Yeah.
Can I show you?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna like it.
You're gonna play bishop c6?
Yep. Do you think he's gonna see it?
Oh, that was a good one too. A nice firm one.
Oh, dude, this guy's good. He's good. Amon, he fucked us.
What?
That's a good move, isn't it?
We've been getting excited about bad moves lately. See, but now we go back and we've tickled him.
So how do we tickle him more?
But our bishop wasn't on g3 before, right? It was on f4? So we fucking triangulated him. Great stuff, Hanson.
No.
Oh, okay. Well, we definitely tickled him.
Okay, this is a finesse. And he has to take with the pawn, taking away a vital square from his knight.
I love to see that. I like to see that.
King e7's a good move.
He's not capable of all of them, bud.
Stop! Fuck. Wait a second. This is a nice move.
Yeah. Yeah. You can barely fucking move here. Actually.
Check!
He fucking made it out of there.
Yeah, he did. No, he's been refuting our ideas. Big Mac, the people's champ, always. Yeah.
I don't like what he's doing here.
He's fucking annoying, I'll tell you that. Fucking guy needs to let me out.
Yeah. Dude, the finesse from Big Mac. It's actually crazy.
Let's bring my king out. In before like bishop e3 and bishop c1 or something. My king's coming out, Big Mac. There it is. You didn't see that one coming, did you, big boy? No, you didn't, big boy. Oh, that's a friendly approach. That's a friendly move. It's a very friendly move.
March all the way home. Nice how that worked out, eh?
Big Mac. Big Mac. Have we been streaming for 4 hours?
Yeah.
That's really spoiling the crowd. We gotta have some Jaeger bombs. We have to buy some
3
Jaeger.
hours. 3 hours.
Right. Okay, then 3 hours is fine.
3 hours.
I'm gonna play G6. I'm gonna play the Gurganidze variation. The Gurganidze.
Is it an emo band?
Eric, when you watch our stream, do you ever ask yourself,
Maybe
A
not
rock.
emo, but you know.
The Offspring is a rock band.
Mr. Kurtz?
Yeah.
When you watch our stream, do you ever ask yourself what you're doing with your life?
Yeah, all the time. I mean, I ask myself that a lot here as well.
Really?
Yes.
Is it that unpleasant?
No. But, you know, you gotta do some introspection.
Thank you, everybody. We have 5 minutes Are you ready for the last record of Joseph Gabriel?
I want to go into an
This guy
endgame.
really goes into the. Fuck. He really announces the shit out of Joseph Capriati. He's a real fan. I love it. Great voice, great energy.
I'll take with a pawn. That's a healthy structure. This is a healthy position. Big Mac, resourceful as always. Not afraid of my feeble threats. I'm not afraid. That was very cute. Great bike. King E2. This is a nice construction by white. I can't enter his position. Not yet. So,
Find a way.
yes.
That's the
What's
real
up,
question.
boys? Nimzo Bo is doing well at the Norway Open. Ooh,
Alongside the
questions here. I'm gonna take with a pawn and put my knight on E6. First king here. Yeah. What happens after knight here? You like his fucking
Construction?
wombo combo he just did?
Not really.
Wait, he's playing way faster all of a sudden.
You just gonna fucking put the knight on F5?
It's tempting.
I'm not sure what else you can do.
Well, I thought I could do here and get an extra pawn. But that's very greedy. It's probably incorrect. Oh,
I wasn't worried about that one.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Absolute awakenings.
Oh man.
he's a cool guy. I like Big
People wonder
Mac.
what a furry is. This is a fucking furry. Oh no. This is terrible.
This guy's got great energy. We need this guy for chessbrah. Somebody get this man a job. I'm gonna play c4, king c5, and aim for this b2 pawn. What a beautiful position. b3, please. a3, please.
He does what you want.
I love him.
You
I
love him
love
for
the
it.
guy.
Yeah, he don't talk too much, but we still love him. Oh, that's Big Mac. Don't talk too much, but we still love him.
Okay. Oh, you mother... Bastard! What a bastard! No, I got D2 anyways. He's just pretending to resist. He really has the best interests of the stream in mind.
Fake resistance.